Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, if you're getting Windows script host error in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, we are going to fix it in only 4 simple steps. So please make sure you watch the whole video and follow all these 4 easy steps and we will be able to fix it together. Alright, so very first step here, click on the search icon and type CMD and then run as administrator. And then we need to click on yes. So we need to open the command prompt as administrator, and if we have opened it, then it will show you C Windows System 32. Now here we need to run sfc system file checker 2 space / scan now. So you just need to type sfc space / scan now. Once you have typed it, hit enter. It will begin the system scan, and this might take 5-7 minutes to scan the whole computer, and if there is a corruption, if there is a bug, that will be fixed, and then we need to restart the computer. Right, you can restart after 4 steps, and then also you can try. So let it be. Once it is running, we need to do some edits in the registry, and for that you just need to do a right click in the start icon, click on run, and type reg edit. Once you have typed it, click on OK. It will ask you to say yes, and then we need to open a I'll tell you the location where exactly we need to go. So here, just so the very first thing here, we need to check under HKey class root. So here, HKey class root, you just need to expand it like this and then go to the bottom of it. So here actually we are looking for .vbs, so that will be somewhere in a very bottom. So here I can see .vbs is there. Let me just go right here. We need to find this VBS, and I have found it. We just need to do a double click on that VBS right here, and then we need to click on this value. It says VBS file. You just need to do a double click, and please make sure it has the value data VBS file. You can type it as well if it has a different value. Just type VBS file and just click on OK. Once this is done, we will move to the next step. So here we are done with this HKey class root, and now we need to go to this current user, HKey current user, and here you will see the location. So under current user, we need to go to software. I'll just do a double click on that, and here you will see the location. So under software, we need to go to this Microsoft, and I'll just do a double click on that, and then we need to go to Windows script. That must be somewhere the bottom. Windows script, I have found it. I'll just do a double click on that, and then we will click on here Windows script host, and we will go to settings. So here in settings, we need to go to this default value, and we just need to click on that, and we need to give a value 1. So if you're getting any Windows script host, then also you can, in Windows 10 you might see Windows script host. So under your that settings, you just need to go to this default value and just give the value 1 and click on OK. If you do not see this, then what you can do is you can do a right click and then select dword 32-bit value and just type default and just do a double click and give a value 1 to it and click on OK like that. All right, so you can also do that. I'll just delete that because I already had it. Once this is done, one of the most important part, the last step, is to run a malware byte scan. So open any of your favorite browser. So we are looking for any kind of malwares, spyware, antivirus is there. We need to scan it and we need to remove it. So you need to type malware bytes, scan it, and you will find malwarebytes.com. And from here, click on that. Please make sure that you only visit malwarebytes.com, not any other website. All right. So here, go for the free download, and once it is downloaded, do the scanner, scan the whole computer, see if there is any infection, any virus, any Trojan, malware, spyware, or any malicious software is installed. That will be scanned and it will be removed. All right. So you can also do that. Once it is done, you can keep it if you want to keep Malwarebytes, or you can simply uninstall it, because after subscription, after the trial, it might ask for the subscription. So if you do not want to subscribe, you can simply uninstall it once you have done the scan. Once this is done, you need to restart the computer and then let me know if your Windows host error has been fixed or not. So Windows script host error is a very common problem, and do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully fixed it. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.